How to enable dark mode on YouTube. First I'm going to show you how to do this on a desktop device, and then I'm also going to show you how to do this on mobile. Let's jump on in. On your desktop, first make sure to go to youtube.com. Then also make sure that you're logged into your YouTube account. Next tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on Appearance. There you will find 3 different options: use device theme, dark theme, or light theme. To enable dark mode on YouTube, you obviously need to select dark theme, so click on that. Now let me show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube mobile. On mobile, first open up the YouTube app. Then in the lower right corner of the screen, tap on your profile picture. Then in the upper right, tap on the gear symbol to open up Settings. Next tap on General, and then tap on Appearance. Finally, to enable dark mode on YouTube mobile, click on Dark Theme. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials.